There you go. As you can see, back right hand side, 104. Tire's pretty low. It's been going low for a few weeks. We keep having to pump it up. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna patch that leak so we can get her back on the road. Well, we have a slow leak in the back tire of our car. We're gonna find out what's causing the leak. We got a spray bottle, put some water in here and some dishwashing soap. Let's get at it and see if we can cause some bubbles. It's right there. You can see that. Bubbles coming up. We got a very slow leak. Hopefully that's the only one. Let's get her fixed. Well, we're going to use a plug repair kit. Find the hole, you ream it out, in and out, make the hole a lot bigger than it really is. Then you take one of these plugs, peel it out of here, fit it inside this device here, and you push it in the hole and pull the tool out, plugging the hole. And now you can see the plug is through that hole, but you can see that there's an opening in between here. So as you push it in, the plug will come off when you pull the tool out. So let's get at it and let's get our tire fixed. Well, we gotta push and turn until we get it all the way in. There it's in. Gotta pull it in and out. And then, let me push this thing in. There we go, almost all the way in. Keep pushing. There we go. You can see that. You pull it out. Done. You can see, got the little knobby sticking out here. We'll cut that off. Tire's fixed. There we go, we'll take a knife. We just cut this off. It's a tough one. Should have got a sharper knife. There we go. Back on the road. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you get your tire fixed.